Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video I will be reviewing this telescoping ladder that can be set up as an A-frame ladder, or if you need the extra height, you can extend it straight up to 20 feet. The main benefit of a telescoping ladder is when it's in its collapsed form, it's very easy for you to transport and store. And when you do need the extra height, you can quickly and easily extend it to the height you need. In this video I'll show you the features of this ladder and demonstrate how to use it. Let me show you the box this ladder comes in. Right here is the telescoping ladder. There's a stabilizer. And in the bag, these are plastic feet and a wheel. Plastic block for the stabilizer. And this orange bag is a tool hanging bag. Right here is the installation guide. And it has steps showing you how to assemble everything. With this aluminum bar, slide this orange piece onto the bar. Do the same thing for the other side. Next, slide the black rubber feet onto the end. And you'll probably need to use a mallet to hammer this in. Do the same thing for the other side. There's also a second one you need to assemble. Next, install the wheel onto this bar. You need to remove the Phillips screw right here and then pull this over this bar. Here's the other wheel. To install the bottom stabilizer, I'm going to flip the ladder upside down. When you're installing this bar, make sure the wheel is facing out, and also you'll need to slide these two pieces inward so this bar will fit into this groove that's at the bottom of the leg. Next, install these two long bolts into the hole you see right here. Now to feed the bolt all the way through, you may need to move this over and then push this down a little further. Now they did include two wrenches for you to tighten these bolts, but if you have your own wrench and socket, it's easier to use this. Next, I'll install this bar for the back side. Now I do want to mention inside that slot there was a piece of plastic that you see right here. When you knock this down, it'll just break that piece, but you need to remove it so it's not in the way. Just like the front, install these two bolts. So let's go over some of the spec on this ladder. This ladder weighs 50 pounds, so it's not super light, but with the wheels, you can move it around quite easily. And while it's collapsed in this form right now, the height is 3.2 feet. When you fully extend it, the height is 20 feet. The width of the ladder without the stabilizer bar is 18-inch wide. Including the stabilizer is 27-inch wide. Each side of the ladder has 8 steps or 8 rungs, and the maximum load capacity of this ladder is 330 pounds. Now on the front side, you see there are 2 wheels at the bottom here. There's also a hand grip, so if you want to move this around, you can tilt this forward, and then you just wheel this around. Right here you see a strap that's wrapped around the steps, and this helps keep the ladder in the collapsed position. If you release a buckle, now you can expand the ladder. After releasing the strap, you can fold this out. There's a first lock position. If you want to fold this out more, pull up on this latch. And this other one. Now you can fold this out more. Let me show you how you lock each step when you're raising the ladder. You see these 2 latches right here? When it's unlocked, these 2 latches are in the inside position. As I raise each step and the lock's in place, these 2 tabs will click into the outside position. And there's even a diagram here showing you this. And also on the side is stamped. Right here is the unlock symbol. I'm going to raise one of the steps and show you how this locks in place. I'm going to raise this step and keep an eye on these 2 latch. And you notice the latch is now in the outside position. I'll do the next one. And when it comes time to collapsing it, you want to push these 2 tabs in. Now when you're doing this, make sure you watch your finger, because you don't want to put your finger in between the rungs. So let's say if I want to set up this ladder to reach the camera up there, I can raise it up straight up like this, or I can set it up as an A-frame ladder. Now of course if you need a height that's higher than this, then you do need to extend this straight up to a maximum of 20 feet. At this time what you want to do is raise one step on each side. And you can keep raising it until you get to the height you want. Now there are 2 more steps I can raise at the bottom, but let me show you the overall height right now. And right now you're looking at the fully extended A-frame. And the height of this from the top to the bottom is 9 feet 5 inch. I'll climb up on this and show you. Now I'm going to collapse this. I'm going to start at the bottom here. Shoot halves in. One side. Now do the other side. Now before I collapse it all the way, remember this pouch that came with the ladder? It's very handy. What we can do is put this in the middle at the very top. Open up the flap, wrap it around, and use a Velcro, close it up. And now you can put your screwdriver, tools, whatever you're using in this pocket, and you don't have to worry about it falling out. Next, I'm going to extend this ladder straight up to the maximum height. What I'm going to do here is put my foot right here at the bottom, and I'm going to extend the top part first. And here's a look at the ladder with the top section extended. And right here is the ladder, fully extended. Now I do want to point out, if you push on it, there is some flex in it. A couple of things. I do recommend you have someone at the bottom of the ladder holding it down and spotting you. Secondly, make sure the footing of the ladder is on an even surface. And thirdly, take your time and don't go so fast. As you can see, this is a very versatile ladder. It has a very compact design. You can easily put this in your car and transport it. I do like the fact that you can set this up as an A-frame ladder. And in a pinch, if you do need to have the extra height, you can extend it straight up and you can get up to 20 feet. Now 20 feet, there is quite a bit of flex in the ladder, but you're gonna find this with any telescoping ladder. Now if you're interested in getting this ladder, I'll include the link in the video description below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.